Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today you are going to know and learn about how to learn full stack web development. Yes, this is the many of the persons who are seeking this question answer. So with the help of ChatGPT, I am trying to knowing how to learn. We'll try to discuss about it. Before initiating the session, if you are watching first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe now. So let's see. My question is how to learn full stack development. Full stack? Yes, full stack development. So let's what it is says. Our ChatGPT AI tool, how it is going to be support us for an information. So it is trying to retrieving an information, what the suggestions it is going to be suggest us. Let's wait. Yeah, it's initiated. Learning full stack development can be a challenging but rewarding process. Means full stack means all the areas the person who are seeking to learn, he needs to have a standard knowledge in terms of front end, coding, back end database, and overall web application, web servers. These are all the things he needs to have a great idea. And even he needs to learn like many technologies. He needs to build an expertise to complete project involvements. So the first thing ChatGPT is also suggesting, familiarize yourself HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which are the front-end tools. These are the fundamentals technologies to build front-end web application. You can start by building simple websites, gradually increase the complexity, where you have to initiate how to start writing a web page by creating HTML structure, applying CSS to making beautification, and client side activities like any animations, these things or validations is using to JavaScript to apply. Once it is done, learn front-end framework such as complexity of making more beautification of fonts, colors and all for your web application with the help of Bootstrap, React or AngularJS. Yes, these the great frameworks are helping to making more dynamic and creating an interfaces with built-in library functionalities. And the next one, learn a backend language. Such a backend web application language is also called as server-side programming language, such as Node.js, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, PHP, C#, .NET, anyone which you are interested in the area and which you are seeking an opportunities which are already readily available. Accordingly, you need to take a proper decision. Yes, if you are having any super seniors are there in your hand to like a guide you or suggest you, yes, any one of this you can choose it. The opportunities, yes, all are having most of the similar opportunities, you will get it. Learn a backend framework. Popular backend frameworks such as Node.js, Ruby on Rails, Django for Python framework web applications, Laravel framework for PHP. These are providing such a structure of building backend applications, and a skeleton it will be created. Based on the skeleton, if you want to make your own custom task to extend the application which is integrated with database. Yes, along with this, you need to learn any one of database skill, which most probably nowadays like a trending databases are there like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server. These all are very popular databases and also supports for relational database management systems to making table relations. So learning SQL language, structured query language, if you perfect most of these databases, easily you can handle it. Practice. The best way to learn full stack development is to build launch web applications Start with the simple projects, gradually increasing the complexity, and you can participate coding challenges, forums, and hackathons to improve your skills from more than others. Stay up to date full stack development, consistently evolving the field. See, you are learning such as skills like from the beginning to this level. So all the softwares, what the updates, what the latest version, how the simplified in the previous version to the current version, these things you have to focus. Yes, by joining the forums, discussing with the real-time industry experts and meetups, and participating the communities which you are going to be getting a support, that would be give you a great information. Remember, learning full stack development is a continuous process of required a lot of dedication and hard work, but the reward can be significant, both the terms of career opportunities in personal fulfillments, and also you will get a great opportunity more than others who are learned and completed full stack development. If you feel this video lecture is helping you and helpful, please do subscribe now. We'll catch you with the next lecture. Thank you.